Now that we have created our tours and uploaded the tours to the PDA, let's see how simple the navigation is inside the PDA. All we have to do is click on Start and go to PyML Mobile to start the mobile application. Once PyML Mobile opens, we can start a tour by choosing a tour from the available tours on our PDA and clicking on the New Tour Run. We can accept the date and time or enter the appropriate date and time for the tour run. Once we start the new run, all we have to do is enter the value in the appropriate field and click Return to finish the tour run or move on to the next tag as appropriate. Let's see how this works. I have here the data transfer console. As I mentioned in the last video, I think I made a little mistake here. On the left pane we have the tour the tours that are available on the PC and the tour runs, and on the right we have the tours that are available on the PDA. I have loaded 2 additional tours to show the navigation through the tours and the data collection for each one of them. Let me minimize this window. I have my PDA here, which is still connected to the PC, so let me go ahead and disconnect the PDA from the PC and start collecting some data. I'm going to click on Start, PyML Mobile, which is going to open the application. Once the application is open, I will be able to see the list of available tours. I will log in as an operator, Bob, who has access to enter the data and submit the data for approval, but not to approve the data. And I can see here the 3 tours that I created: the PDA tour number 2, and PDA tour number 3. Navigating through these tours is simple. Simply highlight the desired tour and click on the new tour run to start a data collection. I can see the name of the tour now and the timestamp, which I can accept or I can change as desired. In this case, I am going to accept the timestamp and I'm going to start collecting data for my tour. This tour is composed of only 1 tag, which is very simple to run through. I enter the data, click on Next, and this is the end of the tour. Do you wish to save and close this run? I'm going to say no, because I would like to enter some comments in here. I can enter comments using my PDA. Only 1 tag. I can save and close and save the settings, say yes, and I have completed my tour run.